Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start in the game, open settings, then video or graphics right away. You want to find the render distance control. It's usually a slider or drop-down showing chunks or meters. Once located, note the current number so you can compare performance before and after. Make sure to close background apps that use GPU or RAM. This reduces stutter. If there's an Advanced or Performance tab, open it now. These options often affect how render distance behaves, so you won't need to backtrack. You should change render distance in small steps. Raise or lower by 2 to 4 chunks at a time to spot meaningful differences. Apply the setting, then immediately play for 1 to 2 minutes in a representative area. That reveals CPU, GPU, and network impacts. If frame rate drops or input lag appears, dial it down one step. Conversely, if performance remains solid, try one more step up. Make sure to test in both dense and empty scenes. Because load varies, you'll finalize by choosing the highest render distance that stays stable for your playstyle, then save or accept the settings. If you still see stutter or long chunk loading, update your graphics drivers and disable heavy mods or high-resolution resource packs. Those often conflict with high render distances. Once done, restart the game to clear caches. If problems persist, reset to defaults or a lower preset and repeat incremental testing. This isolates whether the issue is render distance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.